Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to my channel. In the last video, we talked about some of the different ways to program the robot. The one we chose for this series is Android Studio. Let's get started setting it up. The first thing to do is install Android Studio. You can go to this link to download it. Download the package that's appropriate for your computer, Windows or Mac, and run the installer. You can pause the video, go install it, and meet me back here.
A few moments later.
After you're done installing Android Studio, we need a project to get started with. Don't bother with making a new project from the built-in Android templates, they won't have the FTC robot framework. Instead, go out to github.com to firsttechchallenge/FTC robot controller. On the right side, you'll see an area labeled Releases. Click on the latest release. On the next page, you'll see an area labeled Assets. You'll want to download the one named sourcecode.zip. Download the package to your computer, move it to wherever you want to keep your code, and unzip it. Rename the folder that appears to something that describes your new bot. I'll call mine Robot Girl Pushbot. Now go ahead and open this new folder in Android Studio using the menu File Open. Find and select the new folder you just created. As the project opens up, wait until the progress bar at the bottom finishes to see when Android Studio is ready for you to start programming. If this is the very first time you've used Android Studio, it may take some time to download files that it needs. Feel free to pause the video until it finishes.
One eternity later.
When it's all done processing, you're ready to download your first code to your robot. Use the cable to plug your computer into the USB-C port on the side of the control hub. In Android Studio, look for a box to the left of the green triangle play arrow on the toolbar. If it says Rev Robotics Hub, you're all set, but if it says something else, you'll need to try reconnecting the cable. Once it says Rev Robotics Hub, press the green play button to download the code and run it on the control hub. You'll see the progress bar at the bottom appear while this is happening. Once the program is downloaded, the control hub will disconnect from the driver station while the robot controller restarts. On our team, we used to turn up the volume on the driver station so we could hear the R2-D2 chirp when it was ready again. Congratulations, you've downloaded your first program that does absolutely nothing. Head on to the next video to make your first program.